We wouldn't be using text editor to create our HTML code. That might make it a little bit difficult. We have one option called VS Code. You can type VS Code on your browser and go ahead to download it. After downloading, we install. Just like other installations, just follow the instructions. I will select these options. Yeah. I go next, and it starts installing. When it finishes installing, I will click on finish and it launches the program. This is how it looks. With time, you get used to it. I can open a folder. In this case, I will open the folder we have in our desktop. Remember that the name of the file is first. So we're going to click on it. And once we click on it, the code will be displayed in this window. As you use VS Code, you will get used to it, but you can play around with the appearance. For example, I can zoom in a little bit and increase the text size. One important thing though are extensions. On the extreme left, you will see different icons. This icon is for extensions. You use it to get extra features that you might like. For example, I can install HTML CSS support extension. Once you type the extension name, you will see suggestions, just like Googling something. Let us add additional code to this file. I have a text. This is easy. I will add another text. This is awesome. When you add a text, make sure you save the file. Now, if I go back and open the file in that folder, on the web page, I see the text I added. It is reflected in the updated web page. So, this is a little bit better than the text editor. In fact, it is a lot better than text editor.